in Zen there are koans. So koan is a riddle that is designed to stop the thinking mind. It's essentially something which is not soluble or can't be solved by the thinking mind. So one such koan that I've only realized what it meant now is, what is the sound of one hand clapping? What is the sound of one hand clapping? What is the sound? There is no sound. When two hands clap, you have a sound. What does this mean? And for a long time I didn't understand what it meant, and I suddenly had the realization not very long ago. What makes the sound is the contact with another object, in this instance my hand. So the sound of one hand clapping refers to contact. So the Buddha had a realization on dependent origination during the night of his enlightenment. So based on one condition, another condition arises. For example, the eye sees a sight. So eye consciousness makes contact with, say, a tree. The tree lands into consciousness. That consciousness then forms a perception. This is a tree. It forms words around that. What is a tree? For me, it's something beautiful, so there's a pleasant feeling. When there's a pleasant feeling, I feel good. Say I watch the news, the eye makes contact with something painful, you see suffering. That makes contact, it lands on the heart. That gives rise to a feeling of unpleasantness, and that then cascades into thought and other things. But what if you could apprehend things at the contact stage? So in the seeing, there is only the seeing. This is not to say that you don't care about suffering and war and things like that. It's a way of stopping the discursive mind. So when something lands, it lands and it's just seen for what it is. So this is a sight, this is a smell, this is a sound. It's only a sight, a smell, or a sound. Nothing more, and it gets apprehended at that stage.